My name is Samiksha and I am a culinary management aspirant. As cooking is my life, today I am going to show you how to make paneer tikka pizza style pockets. And first of all, before starting, I would love to thank Febina Group Foundation for their amazing kit and giving this opportunity of cooking competition to millions and trillions of girls like me, those who love to cook. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all, we need to make the stuffing or the filling. For that, the stuff we'll be needing is cheese. I've cut it into cubes. Then onions, capsicum, mozzarella or pizza cheese. I've already created it, and you can find it in this condition in market if you're going to use from a Moon company. Now here I have approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, American corns, chili flakes, oregano, corn flour, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons, tomato ketchup, honey and chili sauce or sweet chili sauce, pizza sauce, Szechuan, vinegar, soya sauce, and a bit of refined oil. And you might be needing a bit of water while marinating the cheese. So let's get started. What we need to do first is take a bowl and put a cheese into it. Now what next we are going to do is we are going to add a bit of corn flour to it along with red chili powder. I'm not going to add much because I don't have cheese much in a quantity. I'm just showing you a bit of it, a bit of salt. Now I'm going to mix it well with light hands. As you may see, it's not going to bind it very nicely. So what we're going to do is just drop a bit of water to it, and then we're going to mix it so that it will be well marinated. Now you can see each and every piece is covered with our corn flour and chili salt mixture. Now let's turn on the flame to fry it. We don't actually need to fry it, we're going to shallow fry it. If you want to make it more crispy and crunchy, you may fry it. It's totally up to you. So now I have turned on the flame and I need to add like 2 to 3 tablespoons of refined oil into the pan. Let it get warm for a minute. As the flame is hot, now we need more cheese to it. Like this. See the beautiful color has. Now we need to shallow fry until the mixture turns slightly golden brown. The cheese that turns slightly golden brown. Now it has been cooked properly. We can see the skin on the top of it. Now I'm going to take it out of the pan. Now I'm going to add some more oil to the same pan because I don't like to waste utensils. I'm just going to add a bit of oil, refined oil, and the onions to the pan, and I need to saute it. We need it to be crunchy so that as we're going to cook it, it should remain its crunchiness and it should taste good while we're going to bake it. In the meantime, you should preheat your oven at 180 degrees for approximately 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. That's totally up to you. If you have a small oven which needs more time, so you can keep it for 20 minutes. Otherwise, if you do have an oven like me, 10 minutes is also enough. Now I'm going to add capsicum to it. See, add my capsicum and I just slightly need to saute it in the pan. I don't want it to get soggy or anything. It should remain crunchy like this. Next, I'm going to add a bit of tomato ketchup to it. Flavor. Bit of sweet chili sauce. Like a small teaspoon or half a teaspoon of Szechuan sauce. Then I'm going to add 1 to half a teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar, and a dash of soya sauce to it. I'm going to mix it. As you can see, the sauces are combined. At this stage, I'm going to add in my cheese, which we have already salted, right? You're going to see the color, it's going to be very good. This sauce looks so good. Now, at this point, I'm going to add the baby corns or American corns, whatsoever you have. Here I'm going to add some American corns. It gives a nice texture and color to it. And I'm going to add just a little bit of salt to taste and a bit of dry mango powder, or you may know it as amchur, so that to maintain its tanginess flavor. Usually what people like to do is they like to add on the ginger garlic paste in the very start, but I'm not a person like that. For that I'm going to mix it. Before that, it's enough, so we just need to turn off the flame. And let's go on to the next step. Okay, so now I have this little baby pan with me, and I'm going to add a bit of oil to it. Oil. And let it heat. Once it's heated up, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste to it. As you can see, it is a nice satisfaction like this. And let it go. One, you can just stir it little. Just mixing all of it. Once you could see that golden brown shade in your ginger garlic paste, you need to add on it to the cheese. Okay, so I've added on it into my mixture. So I'm going to mix it well until it's well combined. It's not going to take much time, so it's okay. And the oven is preheated. I'm ready for it. And I'm going to add pizza cheese to it. I made a lump. I'm going to arrange it like so. Yeah. So here is our mixture which we're going to add in. Now let's get on to our outer cover, means a pocket. Now for making the outer covering, what all we need is normal plain flour, which we use for making the chapatis, a bit of salt, which I'm going to add in here to it, like a pinch or two of it, like a spoonful of corn flour, approximately a spoon of baking powder. I would prefer to first of all strain it so that it shouldn't have any lumps, which is not going to make it bitter to taste. Now, next you will be needing a bit of water to knead it. Now, all we need to do is knead the dough. And it is preference from my side that you should add just a bit of water, not more than that. Okay? Let's get on with it. I'm going to knead the dough. Okay, so now I have kneaded the dough well, like I normally knead it for the chapatis. And here it is. And now I need to make small chapatis of it, not really big. Now here we go. I'm going to roll it in, dab it into the dry flour, and going to pin it with the rolling pin. I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce to a mixture. If you're going to add it before, it's not going to give the flavor which we expect. So approximately 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce. Now I'm going to mix it well, and then we're going to go to a shaping station. Now here with this chapati. Now what I need to do is I'm going to add the filling which we have created into it. Fill it properly in the center. Near the edges, not really near, but it should come out. There. You'll be needing a bit of water so that it should stick properly. Right on the edges, like this, and each and every edge. Now I'm going to take one side of it, put it like so, on the other side onto it, and pinch sides and bring it this way. That's how we're going to seal it. This part is going to go on the lower side so it doesn't make it perfect. This shouldn't come out into it. That's it. Now, as you can see, I love to make some slits on top of it like so. If you don't, that's totally up to you. And I'm going to make some more like this. Okay, so I'm generally preparing all of my pockets and have placed it onto my baking sheet on the pan. So next I'm going to do is take a bit of melted butter. Going to add a bit of oregano to it, chili flakes, a pinch of salt to take a little bit, just a dash. Then I'm going to add a bit of milk in it. Usually in pastries we used to give it an egg bath, but as it's vegetarian, so I'm going to mix it well and brush it on over it like this. See how beautiful it looks, doesn't it? It's going to give it a nice crust. If you want to add your flakes and everything on the top of it, like this, the same process you can make pasta noodles and more. Okay, so now it's time. It's baking time. it and get it into an oven. As I told you, it's at 180 degrees. We're going to put it in approximately 20-25 minutes. Let it cook. Okay guys, cooking time is over. It took me approximately 20-25 minutes to cook. And now look at these pockets. These are so stunning. It's a possibility they may leak a bit, but it's totally okay. Look at the color. Now it's time for plating. Okay, so we have plate. Just sauce over here. Then what I'm going to make, it is just going to splash it like that, and there you go. Enjoy. If you want to see, just take a look at it. You just cut it. See, it's crunchy. It's warm from inside. It's such a good steam when you cut it. Just take a look. That much cheese inside. Enjoy it. If you guys loved it, enjoyed it, I assure you, you're going to